Thursday at 6:32, and that means we've got Mayor David Holt on the hotline this morning. Good morning, Mayor.
Hi, good morning.
All right, let's start by talking about some unemployment numbers. You got some fresh data this week, and we've got really low unemployment in Oklahoma. Unpack that for our viewers at home who drive around town and see help wanted signs everywhere. That seems confusing.
Well, sure. So as you said, we just got our new data. This is data that is given us by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, a federal agency, and we are at 1.9%. So this is the lowest number that we've really ever seen. We only have data back to 1990, and we've never been below 2%. So it's kind of unprecedented, at least as far as we know. That's good news, right? That's something that a mayor definitely likes to brag about, is a low unemployment rate, and the lowest that we've ever seen is obviously a great accomplishment for our community and a testament to how we've diversified our economy and how we've grown jobs. Now, to your point, it also creates challenges in its own way, and one of those challenges is the inability, or I should say the difficulty in filling vacancies. So just kind of a basic economic principle, when everybody's got a job, nobody's looking for a job. And so if you're an employer trying to fill a job, you don't really have anybody showing up because everybody's got a job. Everybody's happy already. And so that's why you see those signs around town. And I get that sometimes, that reaction sometimes, that people say, well, how can we have low unemployment? I see all these help wanted signs. Well, that's actually, those two things go hand in hand. When you have low unemployment, you're going to have a lot of help wanted signs around the city. So, I think for employers, it can present a challenge. But, what I say to them, what I say to both our employers locally and to job creators that we're pitching from around the country, I always say, look, we're also one of the fastest growing cities in the United States, which is true. As you know, and we've talked about here, we're the sixth fastest growing city in the United States. We were one of only 14 cities to add 100,000 people over the last decade. So people are flooding into Oklahoma City, and the workforce is growing, and you're going to have people to fill those jobs. At least that's what we're working on. So it's a good problem to have for sure. And you'd much rather have that problem than high unemployment. So it's definitely one of the best economic times we've ever had in Oklahoma City.
Yeah, without question. You had a very big audience for your State of the City address that was this week. Give us a few of the high points.
Yeah, so today, this week, I had the opportunity to deliver the State of the City address for the first time in 20 months. We had one in 2020 and we had one in 2021, but a whole lot happened in between, as you know, and I talked about that. I talked about the twin challenges that we had, the pandemic itself and the pandemic recession. And obviously, as we just talked about, we've really recovered from the pandemic recession to an almost absurd degree. We are in probably one of the best economic times we've ever had, and certainly arguably one of the strongest economies in the country. And I also talked about our healthcare response and the way that this community took it seriously. And I shared the per capita death numbers and the fact that we were better than the country, but we were way better than the state of Oklahoma. And it was a testament to the fact that this community took the virus seriously. We had Mayor Bynum there from Tulsa, and we thanked him for his partnership, because the two cities working together really made that possible, that precaution taking possible by our citizens. And I also thanked Dr. Patrick McGough and the Oklahoma City County Health Department and all the healthcare professionals, whether they're in public health, whether they're on the hospital side, obviously, that rose to the occasion. And we had so many other things to cover. It's a speech anybody can go and watch or read at okc.gov/mayor. But it's 45 minutes, but it had to be, because there's so much going on in our community to talk about and so much to cover over the last 20 months. But my conclusion was that the state of the city is strong, and we have been very resilient through these tough times, just like we always are. And it was a fun speech to deliver for that reason.
And we've got a link on our website. Mayor, appreciate you checking in. Have a great Thursday.
Absolutely. Have a great day. Thank you.